Hi, welcome to Alwala's General Knowledge class. Today our topic is ICMR Research Institutes. ICMR. ICMR full form is Indian Council for Medical Research. All medical research institutions are working under ICMR control, that is ICMR. First we have to know the background of ICMR. ICMR basically started with IRFA. IRFA means Indian Research Fund Association. During Britishers' time in 1911, IRFA was started. Indian Research Fund Association was started in 1911, but after independence in 1949, this IRFA name was changed to ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research. It is prestigious medical council for research institutes. It is the prestigious council for medical research institutes. The main or specific objective of this ICMR is formulating, coordinating, sponsoring, promoting of biomedical research. It formulates, coordinates, promotes and sponsors in biomedical research. That purpose, this council was started in 1911. At the time it was IRFA, Indian Research Fund Association. In 1949, this name was changed to ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research. Its headquarters located in V. Ramalinga Swamy Bhavan, New Delhi. ICMR headquarters where is located? That is New Delhi, but particular building name is V. Ramalinga Swamy Bhavan. First Director General of ICMR is C.G. Pandit. Present Director General of ICMR is Balram Bhargava. Every year some budget is allocating to ICMR. It comes under Department of Health Research. This council comes under Department of Health Research. This council comes under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. In 2021-22 budget, ICMR purpose 2,356 crores allotted. 2,356 crore rupees allotted to ICMR in 2021-22 budget. ICMR has all over the nationwide 26 main research institutes are there. Some regional research institutes also are working, but main 26 national level research institutes are working under this ICMR. ICMR research institutes are working to research on specific health topics like tuberculosis, leprosy, viral diseases, cholera, malaria, nutrition point of view, food and drug toxicology, reproduction, immunohematology, oncology, medical statistics, different concepts purpose these research institutes are working. We have to know some important medical research institutes in India. Those are number 1, NIV, National Institute of Virology. Recent days it is very famous. Virus Research Institute. Basically it was started Virus Research Center VRC in 1952 in Pune. Basically NIV name is VRC, Virus Research Center, started in 1952 in Pune. Later in 1978 this name was changed to NIV, National Institute of Virology. It is one of the collaborating laboratories of WHO, World Health Organization. And also here National Center for Hepatitis and Influenza Center is also located in this institute. Hepatitis and Influenza Research Center is also working in NIV. Here this organization or this research institute is offering MSc Virology, PhD in Virology. Okay, all these courses also offered, that is National Institute of Virology. Next, second one, NARI, National AIDS Research Institute. It is also located in Pune. It was established in 1992. National AIDS Research Institute was started in 1992. AIDS research purpose, one research institute started in 90th decade, that is, you remember, NARI, National AIDS Research Institute. Next, third one, NIN, National Institute of Nutrition. NIN full form is National Institute of Nutrition. Actually, it was started in 1918 by one person. That person is Robert McCarrison. Robert McCarrison. One Britisher, this person started, Robert McCarrison started in Kannur, Tamil Nadu. It was not started basically in Hyderabad, it was started in Kannur, Tamil Nadu. Later, it was shifted to Hyderabad in 1956. At the time, its name was Nutritional Research Laboratory, but in 1969, this name was changed to NIN. Nutrition development point of view, controlling of malnutrition, food point of view, this institute is working, that is National Institute of Nutrition. You know, very famous word on all food packets we see FSSAI. FSSAI. This is one standard organization, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. FSSAI means Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. This was started in 2006. Next, number 4, NIRT, National Institute for Research in Tuberculosis. It is located in Chennai. Tuberculosis research point of view, this institute was started in Chennai. NIRT. NIRT was started in 1956. Which year NIRT was started? Tuberculosis Research Institute. Basically, it was Tuberculosis Research Center. Later, its name was changed to National Institute for Research in Tuberculosis. It is located in Chennai. Next, NIE, National Institute of Epidemiology. It is also located in Chennai. It was started in 1999. Epidemiology means it is a medical branch which deals incidence, distribution, possible control of diseases and some other health related factors explained, that is epidemiology. That National Institute of Epidemiology is located in Chennai. It was started in 1999. Next, NIMR, National Institute for Malaria Research. It was started in 1977. Basically, it was Malaria Research Center. Later period, this name was changed, National Institute for Malaria Research. This name was changed in 2005. Before 2005, it was simply called Malaria Research Center. It was started in 1977. It is located in Delhi. Next, NICED Kolkata, National Institute for Cholera and Enteric Diseases. National Institute for Cholera and Enteric Diseases. It is located in Kolkata. It was established in 1962. Basically, it was Cholera Research Center. After 1962, it was started. After that, this name was changed to National Institute for Cholera and Enteric Diseases. Its name was changed in 1979. Enteric diseases means those diseases are related to intestines. This institute is located in Kolkata. Next, National Institute of Pathology. Pathology means the study of diseases. It is located in Delhi. It was established in 1965. National Institute of Pathology was started in 1965. Pathology deals the study of diseases. That is located in New Delhi. Next, National Institute of Immunohematology. Hematology means the study of blood. Immunohematology Research Institute, where is located? That is in Mumbai. National Institute of Immunohematology, Mumbai. That point also remember. Next, NITM. NITM means National Institute of Traditional Medicine. Our country, so many people now also in villages are using some Ayurvedic, these are product, traditional medical products. That purpose, this was started in Belagavi, Karnataka. National Institute of Traditional Medicine. Traditional Medicine, Belagavi, Karnataka. Next, NIRRH, National Institute for Research in Reproductive Health. It is located in Mumbai. It was started in 1978. Reproductive health purpose. This institute was started in Mumbai in 1978. NIRRH. Next, CRME, Center for Research in Medical Entomology. Center for Research in Medical Entomology. Entomology means the study of insects. What are the main insects caused to diseases, those diseases point of view, research is doing, that is located in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. It was established in 1985. Next, NIRTH, National Institute for Research in Tribal Health. Tribal health development point of view, one research institute was started in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. NIRTH Jabalpur. It was started in 1984. Years are that much of not important for competitive examinations, but where is located, what purpose it is working, that is important. NIRTH, National Institute for Research in Tribal Health. Next, NIREH, National Institute for Research in Environmental Health. Environmental health development point of view, one institute is started, that is in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. This NIREH was started in 2010 in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Next, NARFBR. NARFBR. It is located in Hyderabad. National Animal Resource Facility in Biomedical Research. National Animal Resource Facility in Biomedical Research. It is very latest institute. It was started in Hyderabad just only in 2015. Very latest institute of all ICMR institutes, that is NARFBR. National Animal Resource Facility in Biomedical Research, that is located in Hyderabad. Next, NIRMWH, National Institute for Reproductive Medicine and Women Health. National Institute for Reproductive Medicine and Women Health. It was started in 1999 in Kolkata. This institute was started in Kolkata in 1999. It is women health point of view, reproductive medicine point of view, this institute is working. NIIRNCD, it means National Institute for Implementation Research on Non-Communicable Diseases. Non-Communicable Diseases, it was started in 1984 in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. NIIRNCD is located where? Jodhpur, Rajasthan. National Institute for Implementation Research on Non-Communicable Diseases, that is located in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Next, NICPR. NICPR, National Institute for Cancer Prevention and Research. Cancer Prevention and Research, it is started in Noida in 1989. National Institute for Cancer Prevention and Research, it is located in Noida, 1989. Next, NIOH, National Institute of Occupational Health, it is located in Ahmedabad. NGRC, National Genetic Research Center, it is located in Mumbai. Genetic research purpose, where is center is located, that is in Mumbai. NIOH is located where? Ahmedabad. But mainly we concentrate on NIV, National Institute of Virology, Pune is very important. AIDS Research Center, where is located, that is Pune, important. Nutrition development point of view, controlling malnutrition food point of view, one institution is working, that is NIN. Okay, where is located? Hyderabad. Tuberculosis research is located where? Remember, Chennai. And also Malaria Research Center is located in New Delhi. NICED, National Institute for Cholera and Enteric Diseases purpose, where is working, that is in Kolkata. These are some main important institutions, research institutes we have to remember. Some autonomous medical institutions also working in India, like AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. It was started in 1956 in New Delhi. After that, this institution establishing so many other places in our country also. One act was passed, AIIMS Act was passed in our parliament in 1956. Through Parliament Act, which autonomous institution was established in our country, you remember, that is AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, in 1956. India's prestigious medical institution, and also it is autonomous institution, that is where is located? In New Delhi. It works under the control of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It is not coming under ICMR. It is autonomous institution. It is working under the control of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And next also PGIMR, Postgraduate Institute for Medical Research. It was started in 19 1962. This institution was started in 1962. It is postgraduate institution located in Chandigarh. Next, JIPMER. JIPMER located in Pondicherry. It was started in 1956. Previously, French Medical Institute was there. That name was changed to JIPMER. JIPMER means Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research. In 1823 time, one French medical institution was started. That medical institution name was changed to JIPMER. It was established in 1956. Another famous medical institution is also there in our country, that is AFMC. Armed Forces Medical College. It was started in 1948, but MBBS course was started in 1962. These are some famous medical institutions we have to remember. Not only these ICMR research institutes, and also some famous medical institutions we remember, like AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, PGIMR, Postgraduate Institute for Medical Research in 1962, JIPMER, Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research 1956, AFMC, Armed Forces Medical College. It was started in 1948, but MBBS course was started in 1962. CMC, Christian Medical College, Vellore, is also very old. It was started medicine in 1942. But first medical college in our country started in Kolkata, 1835, Kolkata. Kolkata and Madras, both places, first medical college was started in our country in 1835. First professional education is medicine. After that, engineering started. Engineering college was first started in 1848, but medical college was first started in Kolkata and Madras in 1835. These are some important points to remember about medical research institutes. Thank you.